If this stock is going above 355 tomorrow, then it will be a bullish, and there will be a small resistance around. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, in this video we'll be doing the market analysis for tomorrow, and also I'll be telling the two stocks which you can observe for tomorrow's intraday trading, and also I'll be telling you with the levels what you can follow. Okay, so keep in mind guys, this video is only for the education purpose. I'm not telling you to trade or invest in these stocks or levels. I'm just telling you for the observation and for the information purpose and education purpose only. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, there is so much of advantages and benefits what you can get from angel broking. Okay, so there is a bit of an offer going on. Okay, so you guys can open the angel broking account by clicking the link in the description below of this video. So you get a free trading account. Okay, so when you use my link in the description below of the video and open an account with angel broking, you get absolute free trading account, and there is lot of benefits what you get. The first thing is the brokerage is very less. Okay, and as you know, angel broking is a full-time broker with a lot of facilities what you get. Okay, and there's only rupees 20 per trade taken, and also you get one more good advantage, that is you get margins for your delivery trades. Yes, so whatever capital you have, you get up to 4 times for margin trading. That is, for the holding trades you get up to 4 times margin. And once you open your account in angel broking by using the link in the description below of this video, you will be added to my private telegram channel where I share stock news and market facts and lot of interesting thing. Okay, so if you guys want to be a part of my private telegram channel, you can open the link and sign up for an angel broking account, or if you have an angel broking account, you can use the upstock account link which I've given. So you can open any of this both account, and once you open an account, message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen with the details, and I'll be adding you to my private telegram channel. So make sure you get these benefits. So guys, firstly let's talk about the Nifty 50. Okay, so guys, you can see today the how the market has performed. So market did fall today almost close to 1%, and then you can see a real quick recovery what happened in the same day itself. Okay, it closed above the high today itself, so it was a very good moment what Nifty 50 has done. It's a very good recovery we can say. Okay, so the important support level will be around 15,747 and 15,607 for tomorrow, and also the resistance level will be around 15,819 or 820 and 15,850 or 15,845 if it's breaking somewhere over here. So this will be a resistance. So if this can break and go high, then definitely it can make a new high tomorrow by Nifty 50. That's the market. Okay, so this is about the Nifty 50, and this is how it's performed today. So let's see the stock what you can observe for tomorrow. So the first stock will be Hindalco. So this is a stock which is based on a Nifty Metal Index. Okay, you know the Nifty Metal Index is shooting up from a few days, and it is giving a good movement also. So that's why I am selecting this stock, that is Hindalco. So I'll be telling you with the levels also. So guys, if you can see here, there is some of levels which you can trade. Okay, so firstly I'll tell you what are the levels that you can avoid. So from 394 to 397 will be around a no trade zone, because it's almost side range when the stock is going above this level. So tomorrow if it's going above 397, then the stock will be bullish, or if it's coming below 392, then it can go up till 381. Okay, so guys, keep in mind these levels are for short-term trades and also intraday trades also, and you can quickly make like 0.5% target or 1% out of these levels. Okay, so whenever this level crosses or comes near this level, you can see some kind of a good volatility coming. So that's the reason why I'm giving this certain level. Okay, so you have to see how the market moves and how the stock moves, and then take a trade according to it. Okay, so these are the levels which I'm telling you, where the movement will start to come, and these are the important level which you guys can observe also. And now let's talk about the Tata Motors. So this is the next stock, and this stock is about Nifty Auto. So it's a automotive index stock. So if this stock is going above 355 tomorrow, then it will be a bullish, and there will be a small resistance around 359. So if it can break, then it will be having a good movement. But from 357 to 359, there will be some of a side movement also, sideways movement also. If it's able to break up, then it will go higher, or if it's taking this as a resistance level, then it might touch to 350, and from there it can take a support and then go back. And the main support for this stock will be around 340. Okay, around 340 is a main support for this stock. So if you're looking for a long term holding, if in case the stock comes to 340, then you can buy in this dip. Okay, so you can observe this stock also. Even this stock has a potential to go perform good. Okay, so you can take a short sell if it's coming below 352 or below 349, somewhere around there, for intraday purpose. Or if it's going above 355, then you can take a long trade, and always keep a target and stop loss. So 0.5% target, something like that will be preferable. Okay, so these are the stocks which you can observe for tomorrow. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video. And also, if you guys want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also, every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.